That place is full of like that people.
Hi guys, good
Good
evening.
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Oh, which place is full of what type of people? Okay, Subramani. Super. Okay, what we did in the last class? We did a class, we created object constructor and types of variables, static variable and non-static variable. And static method and non-static method. So we have seen how to create it, when to create it, so on. So. Right. Okay, let me take one simple example. Let us say we have a class. A bank account. Right? And in that account, have some amount. Amount equal to 1,000. You will have other attributes also. What do you mean by other attributes? ID, name, PAN, IFSC code, etc., etc. I'm concentrating only on this. Now, in this example, let me create an object of it. How to do that? Let account A is equal to new account of. So, what I'm doing here, I'm creating an, and after that, I want to print a balance. So, let us create one function. What's the function? Check to balance. I'll print it. How do I print it? Console.log balance is. Okay, how to print the balance? Since it is an instance variable, I will use the keyword is dot, and here I'll call a method. Okay, how do I call a method? A dot check balance. Okay, let me know. It says balance is 1,000 rupees, something like. Now, what is happening? You go to bank, you open an account, okay, new account is open, and you check the balance. How do you check the balance? You usually, you imagine it's a olden days. You give a passbook, and the person inside the bank sitting in the office of the bank, right? The other part of the bank, right? So when you hand over the passbook, what that guy will do? He will put it into a machine, or he might do handwriting also, right? Put it into a machine and it will print whatever it is, whatever the current balance, what are the transactions, so on so. So, but the question is, I'm not sure. How many of you have passbook of your bank account? Suresh, you have? Everybody has a bank account, that
Yes,
I'll
sir.
Yes,
agree.
sir.
We
You
have,
have
sir.
passbook?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have, sir.
Yes. So now if you open a new account recently, let's say now, do you think they'll give a
Yes, sir.
passbook?
Yes, sir. For
No,
new
No?
sir.
account they give.
Passbook? Oh my
No,
God.
sir.
No.
All
They'll
digital,
give
sir.
it, they'll give check. That's it. And ATM card in
Okay.
case. Okay. I don't think so. They give a passbook. Rare. I never
Okay.
seen it. Okay.
For new, I don't know, sir.
They don't give it because everything is digital, everything is online. You know? So
Okay.
we'll give a passbook. Now imagine I'll take the passbook. In the passbook, I will only print myself saying that 1 lakh rupee. Tell me, if I print it by myself on the passbook, will it actually make the balance as 1 lakh rupee?
No, sir.
No. So, which one is authenticated? Which one is authentic? Which one is correct one? It should be updated by the bank employee. Then only that is authentic, isn't it? But in this case, what happens? Observe this carefully. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll go here, A dot. I use that variable amount is equal to, I'll just make it as 5,000. Let me run it. Tell me if I directly change the amount and try to print it. Yes, in the passbook it is written as 5,000 rupees. But in reality, is it 5,000 rupees? No. Right? So in this case, what is happening? There is a class as a variable, and anybody can access it and modify that. Okay. In real time, this is not going to happen. Everybody cannot modify the data. Only authorized person should modify the data. So how to handle such thing? How to improve the security? For that, we use one wonderful concept. That concept is called as encapsulation. So what is that concept is called as? Encapsulation.
Encapsulation.
Example, assume that you have some money, right? You have some money, okay, some amount you have it. Will you see, okay, will you simply put in your home only, right? Will you simply put that money on a table and keep it? Will you throw, like example, assume that you finish your work from your office, you went to the home. Okay, in your home, in your pocket you have purse also, mobile phone also, your car key also there, and as well as you also have money, right? So usually car key you might keep it anywhere you wish, generally, right? But will you keep that money or a wallet directly somewhere? Will you throw? What you will do?
No, sir.
What you will do
Keep
for
it
the
in safe
cash?
place.
Now you will keep it in a safe place. Example, in your home only, there is one bureau is there, some cupboard is there. You put it inside and close it. And it will have a lock also. But when you say lock, who can access it? You and your family member can access it. Is it outsider can access it? No. Same thing happens in encapsulation also. In encapsulation, what we do? We basically hide the data. What we do? We hide the data. We hide our money inside a cupboard, inside a bureau, wherever it is there. In a safe place, we hide the data. But when I hide the data, is it hidden from myself? No, no. I have a key for it. Okay. And provide access to, okay, in a required manner. Hide the data and provide access. I'll give a proper definition for it. Okay. Encapsulation means process of binding data member with member function. What is encapsulation? Binding data member with member function. What exactly we do? We hide the data and provide only required access. That is the meaning of encapsulation. How to do this? It's very easy. In encapsulation, we have 3 steps. Number 1, declaration. Number 2, initialization. Number 3, utilize. Example. Let me create one code here. Observe, ladies and gentlemen. I just add one magic letter here. Tell me what I'm adding. Hash below the variable name. I'll get an error in line number 7. Let me add that also. And in this example, let me try to run it. Earlier, let me just run it before that. Okay, observe this carefully. Tell me what it is printing. It is printing balance is 5,000 because it is getting modified. Now I'll add one special symbol. What is the special symbol? Hash I'll add. Okay, now let me run it, same thing. Tell me, is it getting modified as 5,000? It is still 1,000 only.
1,000.
So let me add hash here. Okay. Tell me, am I allowed to add the hash here? I'm getting error.
Yes, sir. No, sir. We're not allowed.
Not. Is it allowed inside the class? Yes.
Yes, sir.
In this example, please remember, any variable inside the class is declared using hash. They are called as private variables. Tell me, what are those called as? Private variables.
Private variables.
Whereas if you declare normally, example, let's say, okay, some name, let's say bank name. Name equal to, let us say, SBI. Tell me, is this beginning with the hash or it is not beginning in the hash?
Not beginning with hash.
Called as
Public.
public variable.
Global variables, it calls it.
Okay, remember, with respect to scope, it is global variable. What do you mean by global variable? Can I use it anywhere inside the class?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Assume that I'll create one variable. Let I is equal to 10. And here I'll use one more method. Okay, some other method. Test method is. Now tell me, can I use this I inside the test method or I can use I only within the check balance? Guess
Only
what will
within
happen?
check balance.
Because this is what type of variable it is? A local variable. With respect to check balance. Inside the test, can I access bank name and dark form? Yes, I can
Yes,
access
Yes.
it because it is global variable.
Global and private.
So with respect to scope, where you can use, where you cannot use. Based on that, these two variables are what type of variable? They are global
Private
variable.
Global
variables.
Global with respect to scope, Deepika.
Okay.
Scope means what? Where I can use it. Bank name is present here. Can I use only in check balance, or I can you access it using test method also?
Test method also.
So can I access it all everywhere inside the class? Yes.
Yes.
So based on what is it called as? Global variable. Next, if I create an object of this class, what will happen to bank name and the amount? Will be a single copy, or each object will have their own copy?
Each object will have their own copy.
Oh. So because of this reason, what type of variable it is called as?
Non-static.
Non-static variable.
variables.
Bank name. Can I access bank name directly outside using that object?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Global variable.
So because of this reason, this is called as public variable. What is it called as?
Public
Public variable.
Public means visible outside also. Visible outside also. But in this example, hash amount, is it global variable? Yes, it is global variable. Is it non-static? Yes, it is non-static. But is it accessible outside?
No, sir.
No. Console
It's not
dot log a dot. See here, nowhere you can see that. Which one? Amount you will not able to access. So when you try to write a code, okay, you will get a error. See here, you will get a error. Right? So can I access it outside? No. So what type of variable it is? Private variable. Private means visible only inside the current class. So based on the visibility, variable is categorized into two types. What are those? One is public variable, second one is private variable. Even check balance test method, both are public methods. We can also create a private method. I'll show you how to do. Okay. So now if you observe, we comment it, whatever I've written, comment it. If you don't want anybody to access the any variable directly outside the class, please declare it as a private. It is directly hidden. Now, where I can access it, I can access within the method. Inside the class, you can access anywhere you wish. Yeah? Let me know. Now tell me, can anybody can modify the balance now? Whatever the amount, is it possible? Ladies and gentlemen?
No, sir.
Example of the 5,000. A dot hash amount is equal to 7,000. If I write hash, I'll get error only. Okay, let's say check balance. In check balance, I'm printing what amount? Let me run it. Tell me still what it is printing. It is printing 1000 only, right? Okay. So in this example, please observe. Tell me what is the first step?
Hide the data
Data.
and
How
provide
to hide the
value.
data?
and provide
Hash.
How to hide the data? Answer. Declare that variable as
Private.
Private.
How to declare a variable as private? Tell me.
Using hash keyword.
using hash.
Here, it should start with. You start with what? Hash. Variable and method.
Hash.
Okay. So this is called as declaration. And if you observe the initialization, you can use it inside a method wherever you want. We'll do that. Okay. And utilization. You cannot access it directly. Okay. We'll get a proper code. But don't worry. Now tell me, are we hiding the data from outside? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, are we hiding the data from outside?
Yes.
Yes. Next term. But even then, are we providing the required access? What do you mean by required access? In this example, if I call check balance, is it printing the data?
Yeah.
Yes. That's one. So this concept is called as encapsulation. So we'll write a proper program with just a dummy code. These things.
So we can access this private variable inside the methods only, but
Inside the
not outside
methods, yes, not outside the class.
class. Okay.
Sir, is there the
Sir, I
default value
don't.
for global variables?
Come again, Subramani.
Like sir, in Java we have default values for global
No,
variables.
no. Here it is undefined.
Okay.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, here A not created a variable A, right? A dot amount equal to 5,000.
Here we have na. We created an object.
Yeah.
We try to access it. Even though I wrote amount is equal to 5,000, when I call check balance, is it printing 5,000? It's still printing 1,000 only.
1,000 only, but amount is not there. We have not declared this variable in account class.
In JavaScript, if you assign a value to a variable without declaring it, will I get error or it will temporarily create that variable?
It will temporarily clear.
Temporary. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
See here, let me show you. Let's say t is equal to 100. Console.log t. I'm not using let keyword, nothing I'm doing it. Am I getting error or code is working?
Yes.
Yes. If the variable is not there, it will create. It doesn't throw any error. But which one is official here? Amount is the official data or hash amount is the official data?
Hash amount.
Hash
Hash
amount.
amount is the official. That's the correct one.
So A dot A amount 5,000 is not official, right?
It is not official.
So it's just for a.
Just a temporary sec, it will just create
Okay.
it on the fly. This is not part of the object.
Okay.
It's one of the small topic.
Sir, could you please repeat once for the encapsulation part?
I'll do it now. See this. What is encapsulation? Binding data member with member function.
Function.
I'll tell you the meaning of it. But in simple English, what we do? Step number 1,
Hide the data.
hide the data.
Data.
In encapsulation, how many steps we have? 3 steps we have.
3.
What is the first one?
Declaration.
Declaration.
Utilization.
We declare the variable as private. We declare the variable as what?
Private.
Right. What is the second step?
Initialization.
Remember, constructor is the best place for initialization. You can also write a code like this here, no doubt. But which is the best place?
Constructor.
Can you help me how to write a constructor?
With the constructor name.
Constructor.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I can write one variable here, temporary variable, anything you wish. Like example, n. How to initialize this I? Is it a static or non-static?
Non-static.
Non-static.
So tell me.
This
This
dot
dot
I is
I.
equals
Hash
to
I is equal to
Yeah.
initialization is done. What is the next thing?
Utilization.
Utilize.
Utilization.
Utilization is usually a method. Utilization usually a method.
Method.
Generally, when it comes to encapsulation, we write 2 types of method. The one usually which returns the data, we call it as a getter method. The one which modifies the data, which is called as setter method. Example.
Settle.
Get data. In this case, I'll just write a code. The code return this dot hash. So in encapsulation, tell me the 3 steps. Declaration, initialization and utilization. When I say declaration, what we do? We declare the variable as private. Initialization, usually where do we do? Usually
Inside constructor.
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 It's the best practice. Okay? Utilization means either getter or setter
method.
In this case, I'm developing a getter method. We'll see setter method also. Now, how to access it? Since it is a non-static variable, we create a object. Let A is equal to new A. Now tell me, earlier I used to directly access the variable. Now, am I allowed to access the variable directly like A dot I? Can I do that?
It's a non-static.
Not static. I'm using object only. Can I
Yes.
access
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yes.
No,
No,
sir.
No.
not
No,
outside
sir.
It's
the
a
class.
private
No, sir.
It's a
outside the class.
private. I cannot access it. Can I write hash?
No,
No.
sir.
It
I
will
cannot
not work.
access.
Error.
It will not. Error will go. Example is 100. So now tell me, only way to access is using which method?
Get underscore data.
Get data. Do you have
Get
any
under.
other choice? No.
No.
Let some data. Okay. Data is equal to what is that? A dot. What's the
Get
method?
Get data.
Get
underscore
data.
data.
Sorry, it should not be a class name. It should be a variable.
Yes.
Can say.
Data.
What's the between
Console
console
dot
dot log
data.
Data.
Now tell me, did we hide the data? Yes.
Yes.
By declaring it as a private.
Private variable.
Private variable.
Did we give complete access or we only required access in this example?
Required access.
That means
Required.
can I modify the I value later? Am I allowed?
No,
Yes, sir.
No, I cannot. Right? Tell me how to modify that I value.
we won't be able to. It will give
Not
error.
be able to do it. So am I giving full control or only the required control in this example? Only required control.
Required.
Which is that?
Required.
Only getter I'm giving it. You can only read the data. There is no option for you to write the data. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sir,
I
this
can
return,
create. Yes,
this
ma'am.
return statement will only be written like in another method, not inside the constructor when we are like setting the value.
Yes. Did I ever write the return statement inside the constructor?
Oh,
No, sir.
No. Till now, no. Never. Okay. Return statement is written only in the normal method. It is not written inside the constructor. Good question. Okay. So, clear till this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next, observe. Binding data member with member function. Example. What is the method I created?
get data.
What is the purpose of get data? It is used to return the data I. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So they are binded together. Okay. So they behave like a single unit. That is the meaning of binding. Okay. Get data is meant for I. You cannot access I without get data. So they are binded together. Okay. So I can be accessed only using get data, and get data is meant only for receiving I. This is the standard practice we follow. Okay. That's now come what may. Nobody can modify the I value explicitly. Everybody has to come through the proper channel. Okay, simple program. So process of binding data member with member function is called as encapsulation. We hide the data and provide only required access. In encapsulation, there are just 3 steps: declaration, initialization, and utilization. Declaration, we declare the variable as private, that is start with the hash. Initialization, you can do it at the time of declaration, but the best practice is enter in the constructor. Utilization, you will have a getter setter method depending on need and necessity. Okay, that's all the concept. Simple. While developing a test automation framework, we extensively use this. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Tell me what type of variable is A.
Non-static.
Non-static public variable.
Public non-static.
Public.
Public.
Public
Wait.
non-static.
This one.
Yes.
What?
Private variable. Private variable.
Non-static. Private and non-static.
This one.
Static. Public.
This one.
Public. Okay.
Hey.
Public private.
No. Private.
Private
Static.
non-static.
Private static.
Private static.
Static.
If I want to print all of them, what type of method I should use it? Should I use a static method or I should use a non-static method?
Non-static.
Non-static.
Why?
Non-static.
Why?
In static only.
Static.
Static.
Static
Because
only,
Static can access only static member.
Static.
Non-static can access
Yeah.
everybody. Correct, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Help me to print all the values ABCD. How to print A?
This dot here.
This
This
dot
dot A.
A.
How to print B?
This dot hash B.
This dot has to be.
How to print C?
C.
Hey,
Demo dot C.
Yeah.
static
demo.
variable, right?
Yes, sir.
Demo dot C.
How to print D?
Demo dot
Demo
hash
Demo
B.
dot
hash
hash.
D.
Demo dot.
Hash D.
Now I want to call the print method. What shall I do? Let D is equal to new.
New demo.
Oh,
Hmm.
now tell me D dot
Print.
print. Is printing. Tell me, is it printing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will directly try to access it. Let us see what is allowed, what is not allowed. You only tell me. Can I print A?
Yes.
Yes,
D
sir.
dot A.
How? D dot
Dot
A. Why D? Because it's a non-static variable. Why A? Because it's a public. Correct, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Can I access B?
No.
No.
No, sir.
A non-static, so I'll try to use
It's
an
a
object.
private.
Private.
It's a private, I'll try to access it. Sorry, not
No,
allowed. Oh. Next, can I access C?
Yes.
How?
Yes.
Demo
Yes.
dot C.
Very good. Class name. Why class name? Because it's a static one.
Static.
Next. Can I access D?
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
Why?
Private.
It is
Private
private.
variable.
Private.
But inside the class, inside the method, can I access everything? Both public
Yes.
also, private also?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in line number 10, just if in console.log, just you
Hmm.
type A, then it will take global, right? 10 only it will take, right?
Where is A?
In line number 10, instead of this dot A, if
No,
you
no,
give
no,
A,
no, no. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, can I write only A? Console.log A.
A,
Okay, observe carefully. Tell me, is it working or throwing error?
Throwing error.
Throwing error.
What I
not
said.
the
Inside the method,
Current.
either you have to use this keyword or the class name, depending on what type of variable it is. Directly, you can access only local variables.
okay. It
Which
should
one
give
you
at
can
least
access directly?
undefined, right, sir? At least
Which one?
it should give undefined, right, sir? Instead of error.
Observe.
Yeah.
I think you guys have forgotten the basics of JavaScript.
Okay.
What is that? Let me show you here. Somewhere I create. I'll create one more.
Undefined is like only let A, if you say.
Observe. Can you please tell me what is happening with?
We are initializing the A variable.
Tell me, guys, what will happen when the control comes here?
It will
Declaration.
store 10 and
Create a variable.
Variable
A stores
A.
10.
And store the value
After
10.
creating a variable,
Store
It will
the
store
store
the
10.
value
value 10.
10.
then print 10. Am I
Print
right?
the value.
Yes.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
Correct? Next.
yes,
Actually speaking, is it using let keyword is mandatory in JavaScript?
No.
Yes.
No.
no,
No.
For variable.
Yes.
Console.log. I can say
B,
Am I getting any error?
No, sir.
No.
No, it is not mandatory
sir.
actually. But this is not a good idea. It is always you should use that.
Use let.
Okay. Why? Earlier JavaScript it was allowed. You remember I was talking about Node.js. They created a Node.js
Yes,
software
sir.
to there they said let us use a keyword called let. But is it mandatory? No. Now tell me console.log. Okay, before I proceed, explain me what will happen when the control comes here.
Variable B
Value
is
It
assigned
will
the
try,
value
it will
10.
check in the
This has to
memory.
be.
It will check in the memory. Variable B is present or not. Do we have
Yes.
variable B?
No, sir.
Do we have variable B in the memory? Line number
No.
1, 2 is
Yes,
executed.
sir.
That's it. When the line number
No.
control comes to 4.
No,
No.
sir. No.
Will I get error? No. Papa. It will create B and store the value 10 and
10.
console. Suppose you tell me if it is A only, will it create variable A or it will just overwrite existing value of A?
Override
Override.
the new
Override.
value.
Overwrite. Will it create one more variable A? No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Same thing happens. But tell me, when the variable is created, only when you use assignment operator. When the variables is created,
Only when you use assignment
Assignment.
operator.
And
suppose if I write C,
C.
do we have C in the memory?
No.
No, sir.
No.
no, sir.
Will it create it or it will throw error?
Error.
It is
Error.
undefined.
Throwing error, sir.
You see that?
C will be
Not defined.
Okay, it says you are not created it. Be careful. When do I get undefined? Please tell me.
only declaration we have done.
When
Then
Just
not
write
declared.
let us say, don't assign anything, then you will get undefined.
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 But the
Undefined.
moment you try to access it directly, console.log B, then you get a error. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is a fundamental. Now let us come back to today's program. Now you tell me, when I write console.log D, what will happen? Will it say undefined or I'll get a error?
Error.
Undefined.
Error on.
Error I'll get.
Error, sir.
Error.
Yes.
Not defined.
Did I share this demo 3?
Yes, sir.
Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Observe. The way we declare the variable as private, method also can be declared as private.
Right.
Example. Demo code.js class A. I'll just create one method m1 console.log. What is m1 now? Please tell me.
Non-static method.
Public
Public non-static method.
non-static method. Very good.
Non-static method.
Sorry.
Nothing, sir.
Now tell me.
Private non-static method.
Console.log. Tell me.
M3.
And 3. Public static method.
Good. Public
Static method.
Static method.
method. Any other combination?
Static private method.
Private static.
Hash
So
should
you
be
have
there,
to
sir.
hash.
Right. Super. Ready. Now you tell me how to call M1.
We have to
Create
create
an
object for
object.
class A.
Let
One
A is
second,
equals to.
I'll do one thing. Instead of writing the curly bracket in the next line, can I write it in the same line?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Can do it everywhere. Just one extra line of here. I wanted to see how the problem. Oh. Tell me how to call M1.
Let A is equals to new A and
Let
A
A
dot
equal
So
M1.
new A of A dot
M1.
M1. A.
Small a.
Small a dot M1.
Working.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
M2 is non-static. Am I right?
Okay.
Can I call M2?
No,
Yes.
sir.
Possible or not possible?
Not possible.
Not possible.
Small is the
Right?
It can be accessed only inside the class.
Am I getting error?
Yes.
yes, sir.
How to access M3?
Static
Capital
using class
A
name.
dot
A,
M3. Class
capital
name
A
dot
dot
M3.
Capital
M3.
A,
A dot
3.
M3.
Can I access M4?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
Private method.
Okay. If M2, M4 I cannot call, then what is the use? Observe. Observe. In this example, M2 is private.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
What type of method?
Non-static method.
Non-static.
Private means I can access within the
Inside
class
class.
anywhere.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See this?
Yes. This start.
What I am doing, tell me.
Accessing
Accessing M2, sir.
private M2
From
method
M1.
inside
That
M1.
means I'm accessing
M1.
private method inside another public method. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let's see. Tell me, is it working?
Yes.
Yes. Similarly here, please tell me.
This
What?
dot.
This
Hey,
dot M.
the answer is correct actually. But if it is a static method, how do we access it?
Yeah.
Using
Class.
class name.
Start. Yeah.
Class
Correct,
name
right?
A dot.
See here, same A dot hash M4, I'll get error here. Am I getting error?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
am I
Yes,
getting
sir.
error here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Can I access using this keyword also?
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes, sir. This
can
dot.
I access it using this
Yes, sir.
keyword also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What do you mean by this keyword?
Current class.
Class current.
Current.
If it is a non-static method, this means object, current object. If it is static method, this means current
Current.
class.
Class.
But which is the best practice? For a
Class.
non-static, use this keyword.
Yes,
For
sir.
static, please use class. That's the best.
The same, sir, M4 method, we can call it inside the M1 method also,
Why
right?
not? Within this, anywhere I can access. Tell me how to call it. Deepika,
A
very
dot
good.
A dot
Very good.
M4.
Here, can I use this dot M4? No, no, no.
No.
It should be only what? A dot.
A dot M.
Tell me, is it working?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Sir.
But what is not possible? From M3, can I call M2?
No, we cannot call
No.
from
You
static to
remember?
non-static. Yes. But from non-static to static we can access.
Not possible. A little complicated. We can. Okay. So, but these public and private, they are called as visibility modifier. What is it called as?
Visible key
Visibility
Visibility
modifiers.
Or also called as access modifier. We have only How many types? Two types. What are those?
Type. Public,
Private.
private,
Which one is default option?
public.
Public, sir.
Public is the default visibility. There are two types of variables with respect to scope, global and local. Two types of variables with respect to copy, non-static variable and static variable. Correct, right? Two types of variables with respect to visibility, public and private. In Java, we have four types. Anybody know Java? Four types?
So default private,
Private,
public,
protected,
and protected.
Protect.
Public,
Private, protected,
package,
default.
private. Correct, right? Okay. Next, protected and private. If you don't write anything, by default, the visibility is called as package private. People call it as a default. No, that is a default option, but the visibility is not default. Visibility is called as what? Package private.
Package.
Public, package private, protected, and private in Java.
Java or JavaScript?
Java. In JavaScript, there are only two choices. Isn't
Okay.
it? What are the two choices? Public and private.
Private. Private.
Problem solved. Either you give access or don't give access. That's all it is.
These are
other-
according to visibility modifiers or access modifiers.
No, it is called as visibility modifiers also called as access modifiers.
modifiers.
Different names are ultimately the same. Is it done?
Oh, sir, for me, it is giving error for a dot hash M4 inside the M1 method and inside the static M3 method.
Is it?
It
It's
is
a
printing
demo
the
for
result,
file.
but it is giving that red error.
No. Red color, don't go with that. This VS Code sometimes creates a problem. Don't trust the UI. You go with the output.
Okay.
Sometimes you will see error colors. That's
Yeah,
a VS
the
Code problem.
output is coming, sir.
Output is coming, but it is
Ah.
giving that red
That's okay. I
warning.
can understand. That's a VS Code problem. You will see such problem more in Playwright also. It will be showing error, but actually when you run, it will run. So imagine we have one class called fixed deposit. One simple. And it has got some amount. Okay, what is that? It is a
Amount
initialization. Generally, where do we initialize it?
inside a constructor.
Inside the constructor.
Structure.
Tell me the code to initialize it.
This
This
dot hash
dot
amount is
This
equal
hash
dot
amount
Very good. This dot hash
Hash
amount
hash
is
amount
equal
is
to
equals to amount.
And when you say fixed deposit, as and when you can go and withdraw, like the way you do it in your normal savings account?
No, sir.
No,
Oh,
right?
sir.
But in the FD, at most, you can only check the balance. Keep checking the balance. Once maturity time is achieved, then only you can withdraw the amount along with the bank balance. In between also, you can withdraw the FD, but with the penalty. Correct? You know the rules. How to check the balance? Check.
balance method.
Tell me now, what should I do? How to print that? Hold dot not. FD balance is. How to print it?
Yes,
Dot.
done.
Right. Oh. Can anybody manipulate it from outside? Let
No,
this
No,
be
sir.
given.
No,
No,
it's
sir.
not
No,
visible.
no.
Let FD1 is equal to new
FD off.
FD.
you open for 1 lakh rupees. You cannot modify. Only thing you can do is you can only check the balance. FD1 dot check. Try to manipulate it. It will not allow to do any change. Simplest example for encaps. Just remember the 3 steps: declaration, initialization, and utility. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll go to the next step.
Yes, sir.
Just observe this carefully. Imagine we are developing one software for our Akshar training only. And it has got some kind of a 3 different classes. Example, let us say very important one is student. Student has ID, student has name, and the student has taken some code. There is another class, which is another important one. Of course, we should have a faculty. Faculty will have an ID, faculty will have a name, faculty will be taking a subject. Right? And one more, we also have an employees. To run any business, we need employees to manage it, right? The employee will have an ID, the employee will have a name, the employee belongs to a particular department. You know? Example, what do you mean by course? Automation is playing here. In that automation, one faculty will take JavaScript, another faculty will take Python, something. Just an example. Now tell me, we are developing one software. In that 3 different classes are created. What are the 3 different classes? Student, faculty, and employee. They have all this. If I create an object of the student class, what and all I'll get it? Tell me. Do you get same ID, name, course? Yes or no?
Yes.
Assuming that all are non-static, hypothetical. Which type of object we are talking about? Student object. So you tell me, I'll create an object of the faculty class. This is faculty object. What are the information I get it? ID, name, and
Subject.
Similarly, I'll create an object of an employee. And this is employee object. What are the attributes I'll get it? ID, name, and can I create any number of student object, any number of faculty object, any number of employee object? Yes or no?
Yes,
Once
sir.
you define a class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Everything is working fine. Software is working. Later point, I realized that, whoa, for all of them, I need a phone number to communicate, or else how do I speak to them? So now I will tell my developer, saying that developer, please add phone number. What developer will do? Developer will add phone number here. Student will get a phone. Is it enough? If I add a phone, if my developer adds phone number in the student class, will we get the phone number in faculty and employee class also, or we have to be added there also?
You have to add everyone.
He has to add here also, he has to add here also, he has to add. So how many times developer did the same work?
3 times.
3 times.
Suppose I use another technique. What is that? I know that whether it is a student or a faculty or employee, everybody will have their name, everybody will have a phone, correct? I'll generalize it. What do you mean by generalize it? Observe carefully. I'll create one class. Let me give a general name called person. Male or female, whatever it is. Every person will have their unique identification number. Let us assume that Aadhaar number, PAN number, whatever it is. Every person will have a name. Okay, as of now, this much is enough. Phone number scenario will come to that later. Now what I will do, I'll create 3 different classes. Okay, and what are those 3 different classes? Same thing, student, and here what is it? Faculty. Here which class? EMP.
Employee.
I will tell the student class, hey student class, you borrow the property from person class. Faculty, you also borrow. employee, you also borrow, right? Now, I will say, oh, student will have one thing which is very specific to the student. Which attribute, tell me?
ID.
Course.
Course.
ID is there for everybody, correct?
Okay. Okay.
And faculty will have a specific
Subject.
subject. Employee belongs to specific department.
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 Now tell me, if I create an object of this student, which class object?
Student class.
Student
Student
class.
class object. Do you think I'll get only course or I will also get ID name and course?
ID name and course.
Course.
ID name and if I create an object of the faculty and the employee, whatever it is here, do I get the same thing? ID name and the subject?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Will I get the same thing? ID and name and department
Yes.
for an employee? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Property same. Okay. Now, tomorrow I will request my developer, please add phone number. Does developer should add phone number like the way he did it earlier, like phone number 3 times?
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
What he has to do?
We'll add it in a person itself.
Person.
Yes.
Person
How many
class.
times?
One
One
time.
time.
Even though it is added one time, will I get it in all type of objects?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you look at the second version, it looks like number of classes are more. Here, how many classes we created?
4.
Four.
Four. In older version, how many?
Three.
3.
3.
Number of classes looks more, but you tell me which one is better. The first version of the software, second version of the software.
Second one, sir.
Second.
Why?
Repetition is.
Repetition is avoided. It is reusable, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
In this case, what student class is doing? It is borrowing property from the person class. Correct, right? This
Yes, sir.
taking the property from one class to another class is called as inheritance. Tell me what is it called as?
Inheritance.
Acquiring properties from one class to another class is called as inheritance. The class which is giving the property, in this example, person, it is technically called as parent class. Tell me what type of class?
Parent class.
Parent class.
The class which is taking that property and using it. Obviously, tell me the name.
Child
Child
class.
class.
Okay. So person is a parent class, child is a student is a child class. Faculty employee are also child class, right? So this process of acquiring properties from one class to another class, tell me what is it called as? It is called as inheritance.
Yes.
Different types of inheritance are there. We'll see what is it. First, let me show you one simple example. Okay. I'll just create one simple class. Then start JS. Class A. Class B. How many classes I created?
2 classes.
2 classes. As of now, they are 2 independent classes. Let me write a code. I is equal to. So where is the I variable is mentioned? It is mentioned inside the class called A.
Yes.
How to access that I? Please tell me.
Let A1 equal to new
Let A1 is equal to
new
new.
name.
How? Let me write a code. Console.log.
A1.I.
A1.I.
Is it giving I?
Yes.
It is working also. Now let me create an object of the B class. Let B1 is equal to
New B of.
Yeah.
of. Do we have any
B1 dot
variable
B.
inside the class, inside the B
No.
class? No. Okay, please observe. I will write a code. What is that? B1 dot. Am I getting any suggestion? Forget about ABC.
A, B.
Do we have anything? Any member?
No.
No,
No.
member is not there. Even let me try to write it forcefully. I. Right? Look at this carefully. Tell me what it says.
Undefined.
Undefined. Now I'll add magic. What is it, magic? After using the class B, I use one keyword here. What is the keyword?
Extends.
Extends what?
A.
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 B extends A. Means it's an extension, addition. B inherits from A. Tell me the meaning of it.
B class will inherit from A class.
Yes. What is the meaning of it?
It will inherit the
Everything
property.
present inside the class A will be inherited to B class. It is as good as rewriting class A program inside class B. That's all. Okay. Let me run it. Tell me, earlier it was displayed as undefined. Is it displaying as undefined or it is displaying as 10 now?
10.
Tens.
Okay. So who is parent here?
A.
A.
Who is child here?
B.
How to create inheritance in JavaScript using which keyword?
Extends.
Extends.
Varieties of inheritance. But never forget, private members are not inherited. Tell me.
Private members
Private
are
members
not
are not
inherited.
inherited.
Private is very clear. What do you mean by private? It can be only accessible
Inside class.
Inside the
inside the
class.
current class, inside the same class, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not inherited. So if you don't want a particular variable to inherit, what you should do? Declare that as a private.
So whether constructor can be inherited, sir?
No. Posture of yes. Posture of yes. Shall I go to next step? Mukesh, Manoj, Nagin, Pawan, Subramanian, Deepika, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference? In the previous example, it was a non-static variable. In this example, it is what type of variable?
Static.
Variable. How to access I?
This dot I.
I is a static variable inside the class. I am writing the code
A
outside the
dot.
class.
A dot I.
A dot I, sir.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Careful before answer. Done. Now, will it work if I write B dot I?
No,
No.
sir.
Why?
We are not
We have to
inheriting.
Without
extend.
inheriting.
I, there is no member called I. Correct, right?
Yes, sir. Undefined.
But the moment I write extends,
Yes.
Extends.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is example for inheritance for static variable.
So any modification done in class A for
Will
the static
naturally reflect in immediately B,
B also.
but not in the object.
Okay. Not.
Instance means what? Every object will have their own copy, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Please help me to print I and J.
This dot I.
I.
No.
Oh.
A dot J.
A dot J.
B. Stem A.
Inside class B, am I explicitly creating I and J variable?
No, sir.
No. All I've done is I've written print B, ditto, same program. Okay. How to call print A? Let A is equal to mu A of A dot print A. Sorry, wait. Tell me, is it print? Wait. Hey, please tell me.
The same name again in
Oh,
class B
Here
also.
also same mistake. Tell me, is it printing 10 and 20?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us get an object of the B class. Let B is equal to, tell me,
New B.
new. Now,
B.
then I call B dot
B dot print B.
Is it working?
Yes.
Now, observe carefully. Explain me what is K.
Private non-static
Private.
variable.
Can I print it here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How?
This dot hash K.
This dot
Hash
Hash
K.
K.
What is L?
Private
Static.
static
variable.
variable.
How to access it?
A dot
A
hash
dot
L.
Hash.
hash. Hash.
L.
L.
Correct, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm not accessing in B, but let us run. Tell me, is it all I, J, K, L printing?
Yes.
Yes.
Here is
Same program and try to write it. The same program is this. It goes.
error.
Am I getting error?
Yes.
Yes.
Why?
Private variable cannot
K is a private. Is it
Yeah.
inherited? No.
No, sir.
Cannot access.
Not enough.
What about L? That is also same story, isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes, sir.
Private. Yes.
But other than that, code is working.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So tell me what it proves.
We cannot
We
inherit
cannot
private
access.
variables.
Private. Okay? Not only private, even private method also. Just private members are not inherited. Tell me the generic word.
Private members
Private
are not
members
inherited.
are not inherited.
Member means both variables and methods. Not inherited. Full constructor is not inherited, but for that I will show you some different thing. Can I go to next step?
Yes, sir.
One last example. Is it only variable is inherited or even method also inherited?
Even methods are inherited.
Example, let us say, let us write the method m1 and so log one state then I'll take what the total me. But what is the difference? That's the keyword. That is the log, right? Static hash how to create a child class. Class B,
Extends is
Extends A.
Yeah.
I'll directly try to access using B. Okay, na? Let B is equal to, let me new.
mm,
Did I wrote any method directly inside B class?
No, sir.
no.
No. Look carefully. B1 dot. Okay. Tell me what I can access. Sorry.
Small b's.
Oh. Dot. Can I access M1?
Yes. M1 and M3.
Yes, sir.
Very good. How to access M3?
B dot M3.
Why I'm using B dot? Because it's a static method.
Yes.
What happens if I try to access M2, M4? Allowed or not allowed?
Not allowed.
Not allowed. Why it is
Not
not
so.
allowed? Because it
We
is
cannot access private
private.
methods and variables.
Is it working?
Yes, sir.
In the next class, I'll discuss. Even though we have 15 minutes, let me not bombard you with all the data. Okay, we discussed already two concepts. One is encapsulation, second one is inheritance. In the Monday, we will discuss types of inheritance. Okay, like we have single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, blah blah things. Okay. So before
Yes, sir.
coming to Monday's class, kindly revise both the topics, both the encapsulation and inheritance. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Sir, in demo 9,
Oh.
like although we cannot extend the class A private methods, right? But also we cannot access it outside the class as well, right?
Outside the class is not possible, but inside the public method possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Possible.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Still long way to go. We'll discuss it. Okay?
Okay.
So
Okay,
thank
sir.
you so much.
Thank
Have a
you,
nice
sir. Thank
weekend.
you.
Good
Thank
night.
you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.